In today's quick tip video, we're going to be swapping the Kaweco number 5 size stainless steel nib that are on the Kaweco Sport Classic and the Skyline fountain pens. So what you would need for this are either two, or if you have a replacement nib, number 5 Yovo or Bach stainless steel nib would work for this. So you would just need either two Kaweco pens or a Kaweco pen and replacement nib, and you would need something to be able to grasp the nib because it is kind of small and it's friction fit, so you're going to have to kind of pull it out with a little bit of force, which you would need something like this to help with your grip. One thing I would definitely recommend is make sure that your pen that you're replacing the nib on does not have ink in it. So this one does not have ink, it has the cartridges in the barrel here. So what I would then do is I would wrap the nib in the rubber, put my thumb and forefinger, thumb on the bottom, forefinger would be on the top, and I would pull out. I kind of did like a little bit of a twist and pull at the same time, but it for the most part just pulled straight out. Put this over on the side here, repeat with the second pen. It kind of took a little bit of a wiggle, but see, pull it straight out. And when you take the nib and you rest it right on the feed here, the nib kind of fits right into this cutout that's here on top of the feed. So it's really, you can't mess with the alignment on here. It's pretty easy just to be able to put it dead center of where it's supposed to be. Then you would insert it into the section again, and for this it doesn't really matter because it just fits wherever you just put it into. It's friction fit all the way around, so there's not like a particular slot that you have to put it in. With some nibs you would have to do that. So there you go, now you've swapped a nib, and that is it for today's quick tip.